Hello everyone, this is Swami Dhaneshwari and today I am going to discuss the non-technical topic wastage of the food. Don't waste the food, it is like wasting one of the most precious thing that given by the God to us. So now we will see what is the food wastage. Food wastage or food loss is a food that is wasted or lost or uneaten, and a nation could not eat of the food that we waste. Now we will see the causes of food waste. What are the causes of food waste? Natural calamities, transportation, manufacturing in the chain, harvesting to retailer, over purchasing, excessive pre-preparation of food in restaurants and hostels, and bulk size packaging of food items in supermarkets. These are the causes of food wastage. Now we will see the classification of food wastage. Wastage is classified into two types, that is food loss and food waste. So in food waste, that include agriculture and production and harvest and processing, and in food waste that include distribution and retail and restaurants and catering and domestic consumption. So this is about the classification of food wastage. Now we will see the consequences of the food wastage. So it wastes the water, it releases methane, it wastes lands, it destroys biodiversity and acceleration of climate change, economic consequences, emission of the toxic gases, and wastage of the resources. These are the consequences of the food wastage, and it also includes emission of the greenhouse gases, wastage of the resources, and emission of toxic gases when wasted food is buried in land lifts, and unnecessary expand expenditures of fresh water and loss of soil fertility. These are the consequences of the food wastage. Now we will see the facts on food wastage. One of three of all produced globally goes to the waste, and an area larger than the China is the used to grow the food that is never eaten, and 25% of the world's fresh water supply is used to grow food that is overeaten. And it almost in most developed countries, over half of the of all food waste taken takes place in the home. And if food waste in our country, it will be the third largest emitter of the greenhouse gases, that is after China and the USA. Food waste in India alone could feed 200 millions hungry people, and one of four of wasted food could be feed all 795 million of understand people in the world. So these are the factors of the facts on the food wastage. Now we will see the stat 2, that is up to 50% of produce in throws outside while still edible. Stat 3 is only 6 states have laws encouraging grocery and store food donation. Now we will see by which way food wastage can be prevented. The first one is shop smart and realistically. When cooking, don't over serve food, and save as actually eat and lift overs, and store food in the right places, and avoid clutter in your fridge, pantry and freezer, and treat expiration and sell by dates as the guidelines. Keep track of what you throw away. Donate the food banks and farms. Try canning and sand pickling, and use helpful apps and gadgets to prevent the wastage of food. So these are the way by which we can prevent the food wastage. Now we will see the food recovery hierarchy. So the resource and reduction and reuse, and reduce this volume of selves and food generated and food hungry peoples, food animals, industrial uses, composing, landfill, incineration. These are the hierarchy of the food recovery. Now we will see the prevent food wastage. So prevent and reduce the food waste of at sources, and donate surplus food for the human consumption, and recycle to recover the energy and nutrients, and waste to energy treatment of MSW. And last one is the cleanliness. So these are the ways by which we can prevent the um, food wastage. Now we will see the thing before you throw. To grow crops, farmer has to plow, plough his field, and the farmer has to sprinkle fertilizers and pesticides on his crops. And when the crop is ready, the farmer has to harvest his crop. After harvesting, in the farmer stores the grains in the warehouses, and we can easily throw it. How we can easily throw it? So these are so this is about the food wastage. And now we will see the causes and prevention. Poor storage facilities and packaging, and lack of infrastructure causes post harvest food leaves and developing countries. Preventing: investment in infrastructure, packaging, transportation, and unsafe food is not fit for the human consumption, and therefore is a wasted. And prevention, that is develop a knowledge and capacity of food chain operators to apply safe food handling policies. These are the um, these are the causes and prevention of the food prevention. That's all. Thank you.